Hello there. In a recent video I made on the Raddy ATS200 receiver, I showed you how you could download for free and print at home a desk stand for the ATS series of receivers, and that includes the ATS100, 120 and 200. In this video I'm going to show you how you can modify that desk stand into a docking station. What on earth is the difference? So, the difference is that the docking station would have a 3.5mm jack at the bottom connected to your favorite antenna, and every time you inserted the ATS receiver into the docking station, it would connect to your favorite antenna through the 3.5mm jack. So first of all, how do you get a copy of the stand in the first place? Well, you've got a couple of options for getting the STL file. Either you can go to Thingiverse and download one there, or you can go to my page on PCBWay Plus, go to the bottom of the page and you'll find a free download link for the STL file. Now, if you don't have a 3D printer, you have another option. Simply add one to the cart on my PCBWay Plus site, and then you can ask PCBWay to print one and send one to you. So I'll leave the links in the description. Now, having got your stand, the next thing to do is convert it into the docking station. First step is to get your favorite antenna with the 3.5mm jack on it. This one you see I've got terminated on a short lead to SMA. Then you insert that cable into the bottom of your ATS receiver. Then what we're going to do is insert some hot glue into the bottom of the channel where the 3.5mm jack will sit. I'm using black in this case just to match the color of the stand, but of course it doesn't really matter. Careful not to burn yourself. Then carefully insert the ATS receiver together with the jack into the stand, and then keep it vertical. You need to prop it up with something and let it cool. Okay, after it's cooled for a bit, I'm just going to give it a check. You can see I want to add a bit more in there. You can keep doing this until you're happy that it's securely fixed the jack in place, but just be careful not to get any on the receiver. It peels off quite easily anyway, to be honest, so no big worries. Problem with this glue gun, it uses those really narrow glue sticks, so you have to pump it a lot to get any volume. Should have used the thicker sticks really. Right, let it cool down again. Okay, moment of truth. Just check it's firm. If you can still add a bit of hot glue after that if you want to, but in this case it's alright. Perfect. And hot glue is pretty good because it's a bit spongy, it's got a bit of give to it. Now some feet, stop the thing slipping about. how to test it.
Ada minimal ya. Demikian Pak Haji, infonya nanti di kopi. Kalau ini booster ya itu banyak lah gitu. Banyak cuman yang banyaknya kan.
So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.